Types of quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals are actually divided into three subgroups: kite, parallelograms, and trapezoid. But why do you think so? Let's find out. Kite. A kite has exactly two distinct pairs of congruent sides. The non-vertex angles are congruent. So to elaborate, each pair of consecutive sides are congruent, but opposite angles are not congruent. Trapezoid. A trapezoid has exactly one pair of parallel sides. Its two pairs of adjacent angles are supplementary, meaning they are equal to 180 degrees. There are also kinds of trapezoid, like the isosceles trapezoid. Parallelogram. The opposite sides of a parallelogram is congruent and parallel, meaning the pair of the opposite sides are completely equal, just like their angles. Special parallelograms. Squares, rectangles, and rhombuses belong in parallelograms since these three have two pairs of opposite angles and sides that are congruent. Rhombus. Rhombus are special. Its sides are congruent to each other, just like the square, but its shape is a slanted one. Rectangles. A rectangle has right angles. All of its angles are right angles and it has two pairs of opposite sides that are congruent. Square. This type of quadrilateral is very special. It is equilateral and equiangular, meaning its all sides are congruent and its all angles are all right angles.